in training and implementing various accounting systems for small to medium enterprises. Former business unit head for small business unit of SageSoft Solutions Incorporated, the managing director of Cirrus Incorporated, Mr. John Edwards Castillo.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I start my presentation, on behalf of Cirrus Incorporated, I would like to extend our sincerest congratulations to Maricar and Alan and the whole Sensi team for this press launch today. I'm here to present some of the advantages of using an accounting software. So, for Cirrus Incorporated, we are carrying several accounting products, namely QuickBooks, Sage 50, and MYOB. Our flagship product is actually QuickBooks accounting software. This is developed by Intuit Incorporated, which is a US-based company, and we are the sole partner here in the Asia-Pacific region. So we partnered with Sensi for the accounting product because of the need of some businesses here in the Philippines to have hosted service. Those companies who don't want to maintain their own servers and hardwares. So we are offering the accounting solution that is tied up on a hosted platform. So Sensi handles the hosting service, and then Cirrus is handling the implementation and training of the accounting solutions. So for QuickBooks, Intuit is actually 30 years in the business already, and its products are QuickBooks Desktop, which is on-premise and hosted service, and QuickBooks Online. So QuickBooks Online is one of the latest products of Intuit, which is basically cloud-based accounting solution. QuickBooks users are now at 4.3 million users worldwide. So we can consider QuickBooks as one of the most famous accounting solution for small to medium businesses. 2.2 million of that number of users are actually using QuickBooks Online. For QuickBooks Desktop, it comes in 3 variants. It has Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. So Enterprise is the one with the highest features or most complete features. For QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, it accommodates up to 30 users, can set up different user securities for different types of users, because as you know, in any types of business, the staffs are usually assigned to a specific function or role. So for example, there's one processing the sales, one is processing the payments and purchases, and so on. So the accounting system should be able to handle different user security for these different functions. And also, based on these different functions, the processing inside the system should be different, or the experience should be different across these different functionalities. So this is one example of the screenshot of the accounting software for QuickBooks Desktop. The home page, which is very user-friendly and easy to use. So it's similar to our flowchart or process flow, wherein a user, even though you're not accountant savvy or accountant familiar with accounting jargon or terminologies, you will be able to follow with the steps or with the processes involved in accounting solutions, such as QuickBooks. There is also a feature for QuickBooks Desktop wherein at a glance you can see the information. So compared to the traditional accounting, wherein you record your books manually, you keep your records at a folder or in an envelope and store it in a cabinet. So now, using the system, once na nailagay mo na yung data, you just select a particular record, and then all the transactions related to that particular record, for in this case customer, such as the customer information and those different transactions, are already accessible to the user. Then there's also a functionality for the different types of transactions wherein you can easily see the status of the transaction. So